To create audio messages for your FlexSpeak Talking Bus system, you will need two online resources, VoiceMaker and Online Audio Converter. This Part 1 video is a tutorial on VoiceMaker, which is a text-to-speech converter. The VoiceMaker website will convert any typed text into natural-sounding speech, which can be downloaded into MP3 audio files. To access the recommended voices suitable for the FlexSpeak Talking Bus system, you will need to purchase a premium plan, which costs $8 for 30 days of use. Initial setup. Go online to voicemaker.in/pricing. To purchase the premium plan, click on Get Started. Register and pay using a credit card. If desired, you can repurchase the plan on a month-to-month basis. The plan will not auto-renew. Although there is a free plan available, it is not recommended for your FlexSpeak Talking Bus system. How to create audio files. After you've registered and paid, go to VoiceMaker's homepage at voicemaker.in. Log in so you can access the premium voices. Once logged in, click inside the text box on the page. Type the bus stop name or message that you want to convert to speech. For example, type, "Next stop, Nevada Street." Below the text box, under AI Engine, select Neural TTS for the more natural-sounding voice options. Under Language and Regions, choose your preferred language or accent. Under Voices, select a premium voice for best quality and most natural-sounding speech. Recommended voices include Arya, female, or Johnny, male. Click on the Convert to Speech yellow button to hear the spoken text. Next stop, Nevada Street. If you want to adjust voice settings prior to saving, there are options above the text box or underneath the download button. You can also spell text phonetically so the voice gets the words just right. Each time you make an adjustment, you must click on the yellow button to hear the change. To hear the speech repeated, click on the play icon to the left of the bar. Once you are satisfied with the spoken text, click on the Download MP3 button and save the audio file to your computer. For the FlexSpeak system, the file name must be no more than 7 characters, numbers and letters only, no spaces or symbols. All audio files must be converted before saving to the FlexSpeak SD card. For next steps, watch Creating Audio Files, Part 2, for the audio file conversion tutorial. For more information, or for tech support, call us at 800-969-6080 or visit us online at www.intermotive.net. Thanks for watching.